Well, it's not even midnight. We're getting a wind and a rainstorm here in Maryland. Going into day 3. The adventure continues. That's where we came from on day 3. This is the start. Came to an area that's really light. And this is where we're going. We're going downhill right now, coming off of a ridge. Last night we got like 5 hours of heavy rain. So everything is pretty much wet inside my tent. So tonight we'll have to dry it out. I'm 1.1 miles into my hike and came to this parking area and road. There's your white blaze. Guess it goes down that way. This is where we came from, and the trail going to that Daltron or whatever it's called, where the showers are. I have half a mile to go. The trail is really nice. Just took a shower at this restroom in Dahlgreen Campground. This is right after the Dahlgreen Campground. And the trail goes up. Oh boy, that climb out of Dahlgren is tough for me. Now I'm on a ridge right there. I came down, that's where I came from. This is where I'm going, and it's a slight downhill. So that's the story. Very humid today. Just I'm sweating. The sweat's just rolling off my cap, dripping. And once again, I don't see any water on the trail. I filled up both of my Smart water bottles at the shower, but that might be my last water in 9 miles. Crazy. Yeah, look what I just found. They're only 15-20 feet from me. 2 deer. And right now we're going down, but there's at least 2 more giant ups. And it's so humid today, the sweat's just dripping off my cap still. So if you go to the Washington Monument State Park, just down the road, just a block, that's where the Appalachian Trail comes out. Then it crosses that road right there and it goes this way.